We scored 2 Hermes leather appointments at our last trip in Paris last month. Come along to see what we got. This is part 2. Part 1 was a la carte mini Kelly, designing, customizing special order mini Kelly. Did a whole separate video on, so go check that out if you want, but that was such an amazing process. We feel very lucky and grateful and blessed that we got offered this service. Total surprise. I did a whole other video on the process if you want to check that out. So anyway, quick recap. Got 2 appointments, went to the store, walked up to the store. This is us going up to the store. It was a morning appointment. We waited in the appointment line. They let you in. You go and meet your essay. You go up to a table. You make your request. Andrew was first. Andrew made his request. I was second. As always, every time it's very nervous. Never know what you're going to get. You're never going to know if they have anything, have what you want or anything close to you want, or if they're going to come back and say there's nothing available. We have been very fortunate, and I feel very lucky about that. Still more nervous waiting. We're going to go through all the bags that we were offered during this appointment, which we feel very lucky that we got. We both made our requests for quota bags and non-quota bags. These are my 2 little babies. I had them repaired while we were waiting, and they do it for free. It's a great service at the main store in the back. The first box to come out was this beautiful quota bag offer, a Birkin 35. Oops, there's a preview of the Lindy. Anyway, it's a 35 in gold with palladium hardware in Togo. A moment for Andrew's pants. This is something he's been coveting for a while. SA knows that I love Barania after I got my Barania Kelly last time, so they brought out a Barania Picotin, because last time we did not take the Picotin, the Ebene one, and this was an Ebene Picotin in Barania. That one was Togo. I've never actually gotten a Picotin. Surprisingly, I do not have a Picotin in my collection. I kind of really like it. It's very cute, but I almost think it is not like something that I would carry, but I feel like I know someone that would, and so I thought I might gift it to them. But then they brought out this Lindy, which we had been asking for a Lindy. There's this 2-tone gray Lindy that I saw on the website once, and I've been literally bugging my SA for this since. Every single trip we've asked for Lindy. Every single trip their Lindy's have not been available. It's like the black cat, harder to get than a Birkin or Kelly. So this time the SA was very happy to be able to bring out this Lindy. I had asked for gray, I said, or we were opening some of the new colors. This is in the new color 2025 Gris Plantain. It looks a little more blue there, but it looks a little more gray here. And I really did want a light gray. This is the 35 in palladium. I already have a 35 with gold. Last time we were offered a 35 in Barania, which we stupidly did not take. SA had held something for Andrew, but apparently someone else sold it, which was very unfortunate. Anyway, this is 35 up close. It's beautiful. But again, have the same bag with different hardware. And this was Andrew's offer, not mine. So as Andrew started going through the special order process, it was time for me to make my requests for my appointment, which is what this video is about. And I'm sorry, we got sidetracked. And I know you guys are going to come for me. And I know a lot of you guys have asked how it is possible for us to get so many bags. So you're going to love this. Oh, I forgot. I said it, we're there near the Lindy's. And so my essay brought out this, a Barania Faubourg Lindy in gold with gold, fauve with gold. Which I was like, oh, this is so beautiful. Also, I wish it would have been in a bean though, but then it's very, very hard to get a bean, I guess, in Barania Faubourg. It's much more harder than fauve. Anyway, for my bag, quota bag, I made a request, and those of you that have been asking will be happy with this, I guess, or whatever. But basically, they said I would not be able to get a quota bag this time, this appointment. I can get another bag, but not a quota bag, because I just got one in January, at the end of January, so it was too soon. That Barania Kelly right there on the left, that I just got. And these are all little Barania bags, all little friends together. I wanted all of them. I could not decide between these 2. So I took them both. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Wait for the unboxing. These 2 Lindy's also, I could not. It was very, very hard because on the one hand, the Barania is amazing, but then the other hand, the palladium, new color, seems a little more casual for every day, even though I don't get a lot of palladium hardware things. And then to make it even worse, we saw these in the window and our essay brought both of these out, which are the Neo Evelyns in the size 29 that are Verso. So I had been wanting a Verso thing. Anyway, we got a bunch of stuff, obviously. Stay tuned for the unboxing. But my essay said, let's hold on getting another one, and hopefully we can find it the next time I come. So I ended up leaving without a quota bag, unfortunately. But we got a bunch of other great stuff. Can't wait to show you. Can't believe